If you're looking for a way how to save mega files to Google Drive, then I'm going to show you how this can be achieved in Google Drive. Before we jump in, guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button? Because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now, let's continue. Now, as you can see here, I'm in Google Drive here, guys, and I have some folders here. And let's say you want to upload or save a large file in Google Drive. The first thing that you need to be aware of is how large is that file and how large is your current space on Google Drive. Now, when you create a Google Drive account or a Google account, you have access default to Google Drive and you get a maximum of 15 gigs. So if the file that you want to save is less than 15 gigs, then you can easily access your Google Drive and you can upload it. And to access your Google Drive, I'm going to show you. Want to head over to Google, sign in with your Gmail, then click the Google apps and then find Drive and open up Google Drive, and this will take you into your drive where you can upload the files. And as you can see, I've uploaded some files and some folders here and so much more, right? So what you want to do is ensure that the file is smaller than the free storage that you have, and in case you want to store a larger file that is larger than 15 gigs, then you need to upgrade. And in order to upgrade the storage, you want to go ahead and click under the storage section here on the left hand side. So just simply click on get more, and it will take you over to this page here where you can upgrade. So you can see even more plans. They're showing 2 plans here. You can click and see all plans, and from here you'll be able to see all the different plans that Google offers. You can choose to pay by monthly or annually, and you can see that you also get some really good deals. So if the file is under 100 gigs, then you can simply go ahead and start a free trial here, and as you can see how much you will get to pay per month. And if it's more, you can choose the plan. So basically choose the plan that is best suit for you. If you want 2 terabytes, you can go with this option. If you want 200 gigs, you can go with this option. 100 gigs, you get it, and so forth. So basically choose what you want, and once you do that, just simply click start the trial, then choose how you want, if you want by month or by year. Then once you do that, just simply click and continue. You'll be taken here to accept, so simply click on agree, and from here you want to go ahead and fill in your option of method of payment. So if you want to pay by PayPal, PaySafe card, or credit card, let's say credit card, you press this option and then you start filling details here, right, of your card. So enter your card number, month, year of expiration, and your CVC number, your name, and your billing address. Then click save and proceed. And then once this is done, guys, you will notice that you have the required amount of space. This will now change into your Google Drive. So once you go back to Google Drive, you will realize that this changed from 15 gigabyte to the amount that you choose to upgrade to. And then you can upload that large or that mega file that you have. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.